see, folks, tonight I'm going to ask that you rise up and remove cover, not because I ask you to do so, but for those men and women that died, you and I. Now, when I ask you, I don't know the last time that you sang the national anthem. I invite you to lift your hearts and your voices to the greatest song ever sung, national anthem. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets red there, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Hey, baby, where are we going, baby?
Thailand, baby. Baby shark to Thailand. We're going to swim with the fishes, the sharks.
We're cruising the East Coast and the Bahamas too. On the Hangover 3, we're living a dream come true. Schoolie bus adventures across the USA with friends and cocktails each and every day. We're what the hell adventures, and that's our name. Living life full lives, playing life's game. We're always on the go, and we're seeking brand new thrills. Making memories together, that's what gives us all our thrills.
All right, so we are in the middle of Tropical Storm Ophelia. And as you can see, the water is coming up over the docks. I can't really see it over there much. Well, maybe a little bit. But the docks are completely underwater. All right, ready?
Yeah, I'm gonna be on shore.
Get real close to it.
All right, ready?
1, 2, 3, go!
Ugly drinking corn syrup.
Right? That's called a Mix 44, man. It's called a peanut butter and jelly shot.
Damn, that didn't.
I'm getting the peanut butter.
Yeah.
How was it, guys?
Sweet, isn't it?
That's
Very
good.
sweet. It's dessert.
Wow.
Yeah, that brings back memories of chocolate royale.
Now, if you want to do another one, we'll go with this.
Woo! What, another one?
We can.
Do it, go ahead. Y'all go ahead.
I don't know about that.
No.
Kid looks like he's ready.
I don't know. That's a Resposado.
Don't get kid too much now.
Right? Let's do it a half.
I don't know about ready.
1, 2, 3, go!
Woohoo! That's a little good. That's different.
That's different.
That's different.
I think I like the peanut butter and jelly better.
Right. Got it.
Lord, be careful.
Everybody be careful.
Thank you, guys.
You're welcome. Y'all be careful.
This is the absolute highest I have seen.
Say, look, there's a dip right there.
Y'all be careful. My God, please get on the boat.
The boat's out of the water, guys.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's crazy.
Y'all please be careful.
This is
right. Yeah. Good night, y'all.
We'll see y'all in the morning.
Well, good morning, YouTubers. This is kind of I guess an exciting day. Are we excited? Or are we nervous?
Either or, doesn't matter.
A little nervous. This is our first flight ever.
The first ever!
Yep.
I am
first
48
time.
years old. Russell is 54 years old, and we've never been on a plane. Well, you were on a plane when you were
Little enough I don't remember.
like a little plane, so
Yeah,
never
teeny
like
plane.
this. So we are on our way to Dallas to see Trisha. We really love you because
Yeah. We wouldn't do this. It wasn't for you, sweetheart.
so we are going to document this whole trip. Just pray for us that we don't freak out on the plane and get kicked off or anything like that, but let's hope not. So,
it'll be all right.
We left the house at 2:13 this morning. And then we are now at the Richmond International Airport. It is 4:47 and our flight leaves at 6:40 a.m. So
Yep.
let's do this. Let's do the damn thing.
Yep. See you on the flip side.
How was it?
It sucked.
Stop.
Nah, it wasn't bad. It actually it was pretty uneventful, except for when the engine stalled. That spooked me a little bit. No, I'd do it again. One more time because I have to, but other than that, nope, I'm driving.
Really?
Nah, unless I have to go again. No big deal.
Yeah. It's not bad at all.
I enjoyed it. It was a little cramped and uncomfortable, but that's all right. Here's to our first Jaeger bomb in Dallas, Texas, with our beautiful daughter and her husband, Kenny. Here's to y'all.
Cheers. Cheers. Thank you, sir. May I have another?
Have another. Hey, here's to eating real, authentic Mexican food at some point this week.
That's tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
And it's my baby's birthday on Thursday.
All right, happy birthday Thursday.
Y'all surviving y'all's first plane ride.
First plane ride, epic.
Definitely cheers to that. Thank you, sir. May I have another? I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
Hey, here's to our first tequila shot in Texas. Salud. Salud.
Now I need a Corona.
Damn, that's good.
Alright, so we are in Dallas. We're gonna go into Bloom's candy store. So apparently they have like all the old candy from a long time ago.
This is kind of a neat little area too. It looks like a lot of the older stores and the older buildings, and the little places like this are my favorite to go to. The old part of town. I think it's just neat.
Well, let's go in.
There you go.
What is it?
Original Dr. Pepper. You know what the 10, 2, and 4 stood for? This was actually...
The cereal wheel?
I'm
That's
thinking
not right.
this was
It's
actually
6.
kind of considered a medicine, and want a bottle of 10, 2, and 4. I think that's what it is.
I mean, you're on video, so you need to be 100% sure.
Well, I
The
mean,
comment's about to kill you. Oh, there's a warheads. Yum.
it may be. I don't know.
So now you're saying you don't know.
I'm saying I think that's what I heard somewhere. I'm the genius. I don't know everything. Contrary to what.
Brought to you by being pulled out of your ass.
Don't give me a RC cola. That's all I know.
Thank you, Kitty.
Every day we print off orders for
Trisha and I are headed back to the airport. We're going to pick up Mike and Austin. They've come to hang out with us for a couple of days. Then we're going to go get some dinner. So back to the madness. So by the way, Austin and Mike flew into Dallas tonight.
Here's the bin. Dallas. In Dallas for good friends.
All right, this is another segment of drinking on the water, or whatever I named it last night, whatever it was. But I'm about to show y'all what's going on out here. Having a little shindig.
This is not the dog. Cause heaven forbid it should fall out of place.
We have Mike joining us tonight. Mike joining us. I'm pretty sure they don't want this a part of their video, but this is how they are in between scenes, behind the scenes tonight. It's behind the scenes with the Candyman.
That don't impress me much. Play it, Austin.
Play that air guitar. All we need now is Butch playing the skin flute. We'd have a band.
You gotta play the skin flute.
Butch plays the lead skin flute.
Well, I heard Russell play the skin flute.
Like I said, we are enjoying ourselves tonight. It's night 2 in Dallas for everybody. Honestly, well, except for me and my wife, but night 2 for everybody, and they are enjoying themselves as they should be, and I hope they consider staying at some point in time. But for now, that is tonight's episode of Drinking on the Water, or Drunk on the Water, however you want to put it. But we're doing both. We are getting drunk and drinking at the same time. So, well, I hope y'all enjoy the segment. I hope to actually add this into the the video. This is a little personal side for all of us. It's us in our most relaxed moments. Family time. No, just like Dominic Toretto said, it's about family. Always has been. And on that note, I'll leave y'all for the night.
There you go.
Close enough. Here's Patricia's birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Cheers.
I definitely put something in it because it ain't even the right color.
That's that one that was in the cup.
That is not like.
It is. It really is. I didn't do anything.
Plus what?
Nothing. Well, here, give it to me.
Oh, I just spit it back out.
All right, today after lots of fun and drinking last night, we're getting ready to go up there to the reunion tower.
It's going to be a little over a minute ride. Out the window there shortly will be a view of the city. If y'all wish to hear any information about the tower and or geodeck, please let me know.
Yeah, tell us your facts.
Oh shit.
So the geodeck's 470 feet above the ground. And the word geodeck is a combination of the words geodesic and observation deck. Geodesic describes the design on the outside of the ball.
Okay, cool.
No, you don't want to look?
Good. We're still going. Oh, my ears just
Start
popped.
jumping.
No. What you think of Dallas so far, baby?
I like it. It's cold. I'm gonna move here. I'm gonna get me a belt buckle and some cowboy boots. I'll be good to go.
Or we'll just move to the boat. And...
Or yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tricia. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
I don't know what that is. Hey, baby.
Where we going?
Baby, to the fair.
To the Dallas State
To
Fair.
the Dallas State Fair. We are. We're gonna ride the Ferris wheel.
Yeah,
That's what Tabitha wants to do.
That's a big old negative.
You have to now. You're on the camera.
Yep. Blake, are you riding the Ferris wheel?
Okay.
I am not game.
If anybody recognizes the cowboy, you'll know where we're at.
invade. You come on the road from a lonely cold hotel room just to hear you say I love you one more time. When he heard the sound, he had to wipe away a tear from his eyes. If you use it right.
Show him how,
That's what she said. Oh, you ain't gonna break it.
Break it.
show him how he has to use it. First you point at each other.
And then the other. What? Damn, that worked. How'd you do that? I think this one won't do it.
No, it does. It does. Try it.
No, it doesn't.
You gotta say the magic words.
You gotta hold it the other way around though.
Oh yeah, he got me.
Yeah.
The hell of a hangover segment.
Alright, on today's Hell of a Hangover segment, we are going to make margaritas from Dallas, Texas. Down visiting our daughter, and this is the perfect opportunity. If you're going to make margaritas, the best place to do it is Texas. So, we're going to start out with Margaritaville Gold Tequila. It's perfect. It tastes great. I like mine really, really strong, so today we're going to use 2 shots of it. We're going to use Grand Gala, Grand Marnier, the cheap version. We're going to put just enough to add some orange flavor to it. We have Trace agave nectar, just enough to add a little flavor. And then, I don't know why this is our favorite, Jose Cuervo margarita mix. Finish it off with the margarita mix. And that's it. Over top of it, squeeze fresh lime juice. Usually I use a whole entire lime, squeeze it in there, and that makes it perfect. Then taste. Oh, that is a hell of a good margarita.
And that was the hell of a hangover segment.
I'm kind of making this up as I go. You know, this is just a little gift towards my in-laws. You know, they've done a lot for us, and just showing them a little love. You know, but I hope they add this segment in. I hope y'all enjoyed. Like, share, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see y'all next time. Peace.
Hey, thanks for coming along on another epic adventure. As you can see, we can be anywhere at any time. We appreciate your support as you follow along. And don't forget, hit that like, follow, subscribe button, and leave us a comment. Stay tuned next week, as you'll never know what the hell adventure we will come up with next.